Let me ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself in a debate with your friends over which type of woman makes a better partner, a high-maintenance woman or a low-maintenance woman? This question has probably sparked more arguments over beers than any fantasy football draft ever could. As men, we often grapple with the idea of what kind of partner we want by our side. Each comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, and what works for one guy might not necessarily work for another. But before diving into the pros and cons, let's define what we mean by high-maintenance and low-maintenance women. High-maintenance women are often perceived as those who require a significant amount of time, effort, and resources to keep happy. They might have a keen eye for fashion, a love for luxury, and high expectations in terms of lifestyle and attention. This doesn't necessarily mean they are demanding or difficult, but rather that they have particular standards and enjoy a certain level of pampering. High-maintenance women are often perceived as those who require a significant amount of time, effort, and resources to keep happy. They might have a keen eye for fashion, a love for luxury, and high expectations in terms of lifestyle and attention. This doesn't necessarily mean they are demanding or difficult, but rather that they have particular standards and enjoy being pampered. They usually invest a lot in their appearance, spending time and money on clothes, beauty products, and salon visits. They might prefer dining at high-end restaurants, vacationing in exotic locations, and living in stylish, well-decorated homes. They often have an active social life and expect their partner to be equally engaged in social activities, events, and gatherings. On the flip side, low-maintenance women are typically seen as more easygoing and self-sufficient. They tend to be more relaxed about their appearance and lifestyle, often content with the simpler things in life. They don't require as much time, effort, or resources to keep happy and are usually more adaptable and less demanding. Characteristics of low-maintenance women include being more down-to-earth and having more of a carefree attitude. They are also comfortable in casual wear, and their beauty routines are usually easy and less time-consuming. They enjoy everyday activities like hiking, picnics, and home-cooked meals rather than lavish outings. They value their independence and are often more self-reliant, needing less validation or attention from their partner. Here are the pros and cons of high-maintenance women. First, we will start with the pros. High-maintenance women often have a polished, sophisticated appearance, which can be appealing and make you proud to have them by your side in social settings. Their attention to detail and presentation can be a source of admiration. They are usually driven and ambitious, often achieving high levels of success in their careers and personal lives. This ambition can be inspiring and push you to strive for greater success in your own endeavors. High-maintenance women tend to be socially active, ensuring an exciting and dynamic social life. If you enjoy socializing, attending events, and meeting new people, this can be a significant advantage. Their attention to detail means that they often excel in creating beautiful, well-organized environments. Whether it's planning a romantic date or decorating a home, they bring a level of finesse and thoughtfulness that can enhance your life. And now for the cons of high-maintenance women. Maintaining a relationship with a high-maintenance woman can be demanding, as they often have high expectations in terms of time, attention, and resources. This can lead to pressure and stress, especially if you're not naturally inclined towards the same level of maintenance. The financial aspect of keeping up with their lifestyle can be significant. Their extensive beauty routines and social commitments can consume a lot of time, leaving less room for spontaneity and relaxation. There can be a risk of superficiality where the focus on appearance and material aspects overshadows deeper emotional connections. This might make it harder to build a relationship based on mutual understanding and genuine affection. If you have made it this far, let me know by hitting the like and subscribe button. Moving on with the pros of low-maintenance women. Low-maintenance women tend to be more easygoing and adaptable, making them more enjoyable to be around. Their relaxed attitude can create a stress-free, comfortable environment in the relationship. They usually have simpler tastes, which can be more cost-effective. This can alleviate financial pressures and allow for more savings and financial stability in the long run. Their independence means they often require less attention and validation, giving you more space and freedom. This can be particularly beneficial if you value personal time and autonomy in a relationship. Low-maintenance women often prioritize genuine connections and emotional intimacy over material aspects. This can lead to a more profound, meaningful relationship based on mutual respect and understanding. Now for the cons of low-maintenance women. If you enjoy a busy social life, a low-maintenance partner might not always share the same enthusiasm for social events and gatherings. This can lead to differences in social preferences and activities. While their relaxed approach to appearance can be refreshing, it might also mean that they are less invested in dressing up for special occasions. This can be a downside if you value polished, sophisticated aesthetics. In some cases, low-maintenance women might be less driven or ambitious, which can be a drawback if you prefer a partner who is highly motivated and goal-oriented. This, however, varies greatly among individuals. Their self-sufficiency and low-key lifestyle can sometimes translate into neglecting certain aspects of the relationship. They might prioritize independence to the extent that they overlook the need for attention and nurturing in the relationship. It's important to balance preferences and expectations. When it comes to choosing between a high-maintenance and a low-maintenance partner, it ultimately boils down to personal preferences and lifestyle compatibility. It's essential to recognize that these categories are not rigid, and individuals can possess a blend of both high and low-maintenance traits. Understanding your own preferences, lifestyle, and personality is crucial in determining the type of partner who will complement you best. Reflect on what you value most in a relationship and what kind of dynamic makes you happiest. Open and honest communication with your partner about expectations, preferences, and boundaries is key. Regardless of whether they are high maintenance or low maintenance, understanding each other's needs and finding a middle ground can foster a healthy, balanced relationship. Respecting your partner's individuality and appreciating their unique qualities is essential. Whether they are high maintenance or low maintenance, valuing their strengths and supporting their needs can strengthen the bond between you. In the end, the debate between high maintenance and low maintenance women is subjective and varies from one guy to another. Each type comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. High-maintenance women bring sophistication, ambition, and excitement, but may require more time, effort, and resources. Low-maintenance women offer a sense of ease, independence, and genuine connections, but might lack the same level of social engagement and polish. What matters most is finding a partner whose values, lifestyle, and personality align with your own. By understanding and appreciating the differences, you can build a relationship that is fulfilling, balanced, and truly rewarding. So the next time the topic comes up over beers, remember that the best partner for you is the one who makes you the happiest, regardless of whether they're high maintenance or low maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. See you next time.